Hey, I'm Danny McKinnon with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results. If you're thinking about buying a home, I'm here to walk you through what the process really looks like and how we'll guide you every step of the way. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. It's exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming if you don't have the right people in your corner. My job is to bring clarity to the process and be your trusted advisor from start to finish. We usually start with a quick one-on-one consultation. This is a simple conversation about your goals, your timeline, and what you're really looking for in a home. We will also talk about how we will communicate, how showings work, and the buyer agreement that allows me to fully represent and protect your interests throughout the process. It's also a chance for you to ask questions. Whether you're a first-time buyer or you have bought before, no question is too small. The more we understand up front, the smoother everything becomes later. The next step is getting pre-approved with a local lender. This is what really establishes your buying power. A strong pre-approval not only clarifies your budget, but it also puts you in a stronger position where we submit an offer. And if you do not already have a lender you trust, I'm happy to connect you with a few great ones that we work with on a daily basis. Once you are pre-approved, I'll set you up with a personalized home search portal connected directly to the MLS, the same system agents use. This means you'll see homes in real time, often before they hit sites like Zillow. We will also keep an eye out for off-market opportunities that could be a great fit. When we start touring homes, every showing helps us refine the search and get closer to the right fit. I'll always be honest with you about the pros and the potential concerns and how each property compares to the current market. My goal is to make sure you feel confident and informed, never rushed. When you're ready to make an offer, that's where strategy really comes in. We'll look at market conditions, the seller's situations, and recent comparable sales so we can put together the strongest offer possible while still protecting your interest, especially in competitive situations. If your offer is accepted, I'll coordinate everything that happens next, from inspections, appraisals, attorneys, deadlines, and timelines, all the way through the final walkthrough and closing day. I'll make sure every step stays on track and that you always understand what's happening along the way. And when you finally get the keys, that's not the end of our relationship. Whether you need a contractor, have questions about refinancing down the road, or you just want to know what your home might be worth in a few years, I'm always here as a resource. So if you're thinking about buying or even just starting to explore your options, let's connect. Again, I'm Danny McKinnon with the Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results, and I'd be honored to help guide you through the process.